Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to adjust PDF margins using Foxit PDF Editor. This is a great way to improve the layout, fix formatting issues, and make your document look more professional. Let's get started. In Foxit PDF Editor, we will insert our file. We can see the Open File option, which lets us locate the file on our computer. Once we've found the file, we simply click to upload it. Now, to arrange or adjust the PDF margins, all we need to do is click on Organize at the top of the toolbar. From there, we click on Crop Pages. Before we continue, make sure we have a premium account on Foxit, as this feature is only available to premium users. Once we're in, we can adjust the margins in this section by cropping the pages. There is also an option to set the exact margin values here. When we're happy with the changes, we just click Save. And that's how we adjust margins using Foxit PDF Editor. With just a few simple steps, we can clean up our document and improve its overall presentation.